Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a super practical skill that comes in handy for anyone who works with numbers, budgets, reports, or pretty much any data. I'm going to show you exactly how to take formulas from an Excel spreadsheet and bring them over into Google Sheets without losing any of that precious calculation magic. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to move not just your raw data, but also all the formulas that make your spreadsheets work, saving you a ton of time and effort. No need to recreate everything from scratch. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, I've got an Excel file open here with some data. If you've ever tried a regular copy and paste, you might have noticed only the values come across, not the formulas behind them. That's definitely not what we want, especially if your sheet does a lot of automatic calculations. So let's make sure we get all our formulas to come along for the ride. Here's the little trick. Instead of just copying as usual, you'll start by pressing a quick keyboard combo in Excel. With your Excel file open, press and hold the Control key and then tap the tilde key. That's the little squiggly line usually found in the top left corner of your keyboard, just below the Escape key. What this does is flip your view in Excel so you're looking not at the results of your formulas, but at the formulas themselves in each cell. This is super important. Think of it as peeking behind the curtain to see how the magic happens. If you don't do this, you'll only copy the numbers, not the calculations that produce them. Once you see all the formulas displayed in your Excel sheet, you're ready for the next step. Click and drag to highlight all the data you want to move. Don't worry if there are quite a few rows or columns. Take your time and make sure you select everything you'd like to transfer. Now simply right-click and choose Copy, or just use Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, let's jump over to Google Sheets. Make sure you've got a new or existing sheet open where you want this data to go. Click on the cell where you want your pasted formulas to start. Here's a quick tip: be mindful of where you paste. If your Excel data started at cell A1, you'll probably want to start pasting there as well to keep things lined up. Now paste the data into Google Sheets. Either right-click and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V. Google Sheets will read the formulas you've brought over and in most cases automatically convert them into the format it understands. You might see a momentary flash as everything loads in, especially if you've got a lot of data. Don't worry if some formulas look a little different. Google Sheets sometimes tweaks things to fit its own rules, but the calculations usually come through just fine. And that's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you've moved your Excel formulas and all your hard work into Google Sheets, ready to analyze and update as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you run into any hiccups or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more useful guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.